For over 5 years, Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte and her siblings have toed the line. They stayed in the background, showing a united front behind their father, President Rodrigo Duterte. According to a Politiko source, Sara, Pulong and Baste kept their cool despite being boxed out of their father's life in Malacañang by his longtime aide Senator Bong Go, who is allied with the president's partner Bong-Honeylet of Malacañang. But the source said Go and Bong-Honeylet were supposedly not too keen on letting go of their power anytime soon, even if it meant spoiling the plans of the first family. The source said Sara saw through all of the Bong-Honeylet's machinations of using her to further their stay in power with the president as leverage. The source said the president was really intent on retiring from politics after his term ends, as he has declared in various speeches. The source said Sara and her siblings have long harbored a grudge against Go. Go has been the president's gatekeeper since his days as mayor of Davao City. According to the Politiko source, Sara and her siblings see Bong-Honeylet as a woman who stole their father from their mother, Elizabeth Silberman. They see Go as the enabler. With Sara having a real chance to extend the Duterte's reign in Malacañang, the source said the first family felt disrespected that the Bong-Honeylet camp would unabashedly use their father to further their political ambitions.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.